Welcome. This is how to change profile picture on Teams. So guys, if you ever want to change your profile, first of course go to teams.live.com and this will be their homepage. And right over here guys, you could just simply go ahead and select your profile on the top right corner of the screen. Now, over here, you could just simply select your profile directly and you will have an option over here, change or add profile picture. So go ahead and select that. And from here, you will have an option to remove it, select remove, and it will be like that. And if you want to upload a new one, you could just simply select a specific template or a picture. And from here, you should be able to upload it. And right now, my file is too big, so I cannot upload it. But if you do, you should be able to save it over here and you should be able to change your profile. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.